All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to do a really quick update. I know that I started off really well with my videos and whatnot, as far as, like, editing them and piece by piece and all this kind of stuff, and I'm still kind of sort of doing that. In other words, I've been recording this whole adventure. The only thing is that I'm either busy at work or I'm busy on this thing, so I don't have time to be editing videos right now. But I did want to do this to let people know that I haven't quit, I haven't sold it, I haven't done anything that, why, because I've had people asking me, you're not posting videos anymore, what's going on? You're not doing it anymore? Did you quit? What's up? And I'm like, no, I haven't quit. I'm far from it, as a matter of fact. But one of the things, like I said, is I'm either busy at work, or I'm busy working on this house, or our other vehicles that we have here, or I'm just busy. I'm always constantly doing something. I'm never just sitting. I barely get a chance to watch a movie hardly with my wife. So, but my point is, though, is that things are happening here. Just real quick, like, I've had this thing finally. I had everything mocked up in the car. I pulled it out. When I get this car done, then I'll probably be able to actually take the time to go back and look at all the videos that I did record and actually make stuff and then put it on my YouTube channel, so you can actually see from start to finish how I did all of this. But real quick update is basically, yes, I did get this thing all mocked up. I did take it all back apart. I did get it sandblasted, and then I now have it to a point where you can see I basically have started putting the coating in it. I'm using the Eastwood Platinum like I told you I would. The POR rubberized undercoating is also another product I'm using. Rust encapsulator, just a little sample here. Right here I've got Eastwood products here. Rust-Oleum paints is what I've been using, stuff you can get at your local Ace Hardware store. I've got the 3M adhesive for the insulation that I'm going to be using, chassis black. I'm using high heat stuff, for underneath where the hood's going to be and under the floor. Still got my little table tray here with all my tools and stuff. So that's basically what I've been doing here. This is about how much further I've gotten, and I guess the biggest struggle that I've had really so far was this cowl intake vent area where it was rusted here, and I got it all repaired, and then just getting the platinum and the rust encapsulator and the POR undercoating inside here everywhere, over the rust, or over the metal rather, and cleaning the rust out of there. That was the biggest challenge by far. The biggest challenge coming up is, for sure, we have decided we're going to be taking the rear quarter panels off and the taillight panel, because it's just got too much damage from the past, people backing into it or whatever happened there, plus all the rust. If you look carefully, you can see daylight holes there through the taillight panel. So, but again, just wanted to give you a really quick update and let you know that I haven't quit. It's not been sold. It's not gone anywhere. It's actually has gone somewhere, which is to the blaster, and it has been worked on. And that's all the time I have for. But you can now see this is where we currently are. So hopefully I can get this thing done. And then, as of course winter comes around, maybe I will have some more time at that time, winter, to edit some of the videos that I had of the things that I had done over the summer here, and put them up for you. Okay, so there's where we are. This is the latest.